Hi guys, Rob at GrooveUser here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an instant GrooveFunnels affiliate link under a custom domain in under 5 minutes. So I'm sure if you're a part of GrooveFunnels, whether you've got your free package or the upgrade, you've heard about the affiliate program, but basically by promoting the product, you'll not only be helping people and they'll thank you for it, introducing them to GrooveFunnels. People can get their free accounts, and if anyone upgrades to a paid account, you as a free member will get 20% commission paid to you, and if you're upgraded in the lifetime membership, you'll get 40%. So lots of people want to know what's the quickest, the easiest way to get my link out there to share it. You can share on Facebook, things like that, no problem at all. But what people are finding is they're getting their ads or their posts banned or taken down when they've got the full affiliate link, which comes from your affiliate dashboard in GrooveFunnels. So this is a really quick and easy way and cheap way of overcoming that. So what we're going to do basically is grab a domain name, and we're going to get our link, and we're just going to put the two together instantly, and you'll be able to share your domain name and people will go straight to your affiliate link. So let's show you how we do it. Let's jump in. So in this example, I'm going to use NameSilo. Namesilo.com. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just find that they're one of the cheapest domain registrars, but they also includes SSL certificate as well, so that it's secure. And unlike other companies I've used, they don't put their prices up, or they don't seem to put their prices up after the first year. And it's around about $8 or $9 for a .com. There are some discount codes floating around on the internet, which you can maybe get $1 off here and there. So I'm going to show you with NameSilo how you do this. It's the same process with any domain registrar, basically. So I'll show you what we do. I won't go through registering the domain because that's fairly straightforward. But once you've got your domain, if you're doing it in NameSilo, you'll come into your main account page. And then once you've registered, you'll have down here, you'll have account domains. So click on the number. I've got 2 domains in this particular account. And then when they come up, you tick on the one you want to change. So let's do this one here. And then up here, you click on forward domains. Now, if you've got a different registrar, you just need to find out whereabouts in your particular login portal the forward domain section is, and then click on it. That'll then bring you up with a different window, specifically for that domain that we're talking about. And it will talk about domain forwarding like we've got here. So I've already got this in set up, so I'll delete that so I can show you how to do it. So the next thing you want to do is head over to your GrooveFunnels account, log in to get your affiliate link. Now the easiest way to do that is to go to groovejv.com. So that's just groove and then the letter J and V.com. Log in with your GrooveFunnels details. And as you come down the page, obviously at the moment it's all about the big launch. Click on Promotion Tools. Then click on links at the top left. And at the moment we've got 3 affiliate links. The main one you want to do is this GrooveFunnels link. That'll take them straight to the main GrooveFunnels page, but it will tie in your affiliate link. So the easiest way to make sure you don't miss anything out when you're copying it is click on this pink icon on the right here, on that line. You click it and you get a little green message, successfully copied to clipboard. So now I've got that in my clipboard, I'm going to go back over to NameSilo. And in the forwarding address, basically this is saying that I want to forward anyone that comes to mydomain.com that I've purchased here. I want them to land on this URL, which we've just grabbed from our affiliate links. So I'm going to paste it in here. Right click paste. Now the only other thing you need to do, particularly on NameSilo, it might be different on your registrar, so double check. It gives you the option here, HTTP or HTTPS. We want to go HTTPS because it's what our original link has. If you look back here and if you look back on GrooveJV, HTTPS at the beginning. And then in the bit that we've pasted in, we just need to knock off that from the beginning because we've already got it here. So take off the HTTPS, the colon and the 2 slashes, and then leave it like that. So make sure your whole link is in there. You've got your HTTPS at the beginning. Click submit. Make sure your method is on permanent forward, so it's called a 301 redirect. and that's it done. So then now, if I go to that domain, that now has come up and landed on this page, and it's exactly the same as if someone had pasted in or clicked on this whole affiliate link here, which obviously on Facebook doesn't look very good, and also can get your you put in Facebook jail if you're not careful. So that's a really quick and easy way of doing it. If you haven't got the time to get in and build a site or a landing page in Groove Pages, obviously you won't you don't need to touch Groove Pages to do this. It's literally get into your domain, go into forwarding, grab your link from within your promo section on your GrooveFunnels account, paste that link into the forwarding box and hit submit, and that's it. And then you can obviously just share your domain name that you've purchased, which gives you a nice clean link, and obviously it looks nice and more people are going to click on it. So I hope you found that helpful. Nice short video, easy to follow, I hope. Please let us know if you've liked it. Like the video down below, leave me any comments. I do like to read your comments. And anything else you want to know, just get in touch, info@grooveuser.com. Subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified when we add more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.